there's another program that's very similar to that called money. How many people do you know focus on money instead of happiness? How many people focus on money instead of having a life or a career that brings them joy? And when you discover that when you do what you're passionate about and you help other people, money becomes what it really is, which is energy. And it comes to you. So my offer to you is this. If you have a side hustle that you love doing, but maybe you're a little afraid to share it with the world, I offer you. Anytime whether you sew, whether you write, whether you sing, whether you perform, whether you have a speaker collection, put it on the internet, put it on YouTube, put it on Instagram. There's ways to get people to follow you so that you can start sharing the dream that you have in life with them so that you can start. And there's going to be people in your life that are not going to want you to do that because they were brainwashed into not following their dreams, so they're not happy, so they're going to try to do the same to you.